Hello bachcho, let's have a look at this question which says the following compounds have been arranged in order of their increasing thermal stabilities. Identify the correct order. The compounds provided to us are potassium carbonate, magnesium carbonate, calcium carbonate and beryllium carbonate. And in the options we have been given different order of their increasing thermal stabilities and we have to figure out the correct order. The key concept is thermal stability of कार्बोनेट्स. सबसे पहले देख लेते हैं कि कार्बोनेट्स जो हमें प्रोवाइडेड है इनके जो मेटल्स हैं वो कौन से ग्रुप एलिमेंट्स हैं. सो वी हैव पोटेशियम कार्बोनेट, मैग्नीशियम कार्बोनेट, calcium carbonate and beryllium carbonate. So out of these compounds, beryllium, calcium and magnesium, these are group 2 elements which constitute beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium and barium followed by radium. Now this potassium is present in group 1 in this place after lithium and sodium. अब हम इसकी कार्बोनेट्स की थर्मल स्टेबिलिटी को समझ लेते हैं. Let us say we have a cation of small size. Okay, if the size of cation is small, it means it has a high charge density. Right, because the charge will be packed in a small volume. So it will have high charge density. Now a high charge density will cause more distortion of the anion that is coming in the vicinity of the cation, and in this case it is carbonate anion. तो जो cation हमारे पास present है that will attract the carbonate ion, attracts the negatively charged, or in this case it is carbonate, and will polarize it. Right. The amount of heat required to break the carbonate depends upon the degree of polarization. cation anion को कितना polarize करेगा वो decide करेगा कि कितनी amount of heat required होगी to break that bond. So the general trend is that more polarization requires less heat. Okay, so more polarization requires less heat. अब हम trend देखते हैं. As we move down the group, what happens is that size of cation increases. Right. If the size of cation increases, that is, the polarization of carbonate is happening to a lesser extent. Less polarization of carbonate will occur. और अभी हमने देखा more polarization requires less heat, that means less polarization will require more heat. अब जो कार्बोनेट्स हमें प्रोवाइडेड है उनका हम साइज देख लेते हैं. So the increasing order of size will be, जो तीन एलिमेंट्स है that is magnesium, calcium and beryllium that are from the same group. So out of these the size increases down the group. तो जो top पे होगा that will have the smallest size. तो beryllium will be smallest size followed by magnesium and calcium. और पोटेशियम इज ग्रुप 1 एलिमेंट और हमें पता है जब हम लेफ्ट से राइट में जाते हैं तो साइज डिक्रीज होता है, राइट, विच मीन्स पोटेशियम विल हैव लार्जेस्ट साइज अमंग all of these, which means potassium has the largest size, hence will be most thermally stable. So order of thermal stability will be beryllium carbonate, magnesium carbonate, followed by calcium carbonate and potassium carbonate. Okay, so potassium is 1, calcium is 3, magnesium is 2 and beryllium is 4. So this is the increasing order of thermal stability. ऑप्शंस में देख लेते हैं कि ये ऑर्डर किस ऑप्शन में है. सो इट इज दिस सेकेंड ऑप्शन. So the correct order of increasing thermal stability is fourth, followed by second, third and first. I hope you understood it well. Thank you and best of luck.